Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Rich Robin here. I want to show you what our Falcon mobile looks like. This is an extremely popular mobile that we have through Gator Pit. This is a 1/4 inch thick pipe on the main chamber and the firebox. The firebox is 24 diameter by 24 long, 1/4 inch thick. The main chamber is 72 inches long, 6 feet long, and 2 foot in diameter, or 24 inches in diameter. You've got 6 sliding food trays here. You can get 2 to 3 briskets per tray to give you an idea of capacity. I've got some food pics that you can look at on my website at gatorpit.net. I got a Falcon full of briskets, give you a better reference as to what it can hold. You've got obviously a 3-door chamber. You got temperature gauges in each of the door. All of your food trays slide in and out and hang just like you see now. This makes it really convenient when you're cooking a lot of meat and need to access meat on and off of your pit. Let me slide these things in real quick for you. It does have, this one does show tuning plates as an option. This customer ordered the tuning plates. The tuning plates are an option. I would recommend, highly recommend, getting the tuning plates on a pit that's this large so that you do run an even temperature all the way from the firebox end to the stack end, and this pit will run even with those tuning plates adjusted properly. Easy to adjust them. The trailer frame is 1/4 by 2 by 2 tubing, square tubing. It sits on a 3,500 pound Dexter axle. We've got 5 lugs, 15 inch white wheels with 205, 75, 15 tires, and the front deck is solid plate. We've got a 2-inch coupler, jack wheel on this trailer, showing a jack wheel, removable, your screw jack, your safety chain hanger standard. The trailers are gusseted at the stress points, so you don't have to worry about stress fractures on our trailers if you hit big potholes or go off-road with these. And a lot of people do take these off-road because we sell these to a lot of ranches and the oil patch as well. The back of it, you can see here the Gator gauges on all 3 of the doors. You got your big 6 foot by 2 foot storage area back here that's boxed in, your steel fenders, your universal trailer light kit. Back here you got your firebox, and you got your standard wraparound shelf. That storage is standard as well. Everything that you're looking at on this Falcon is standard. Everything that you can see is standard for the price listed on the website. Again, the only option that this customer did was add our tuning plates to the main chamber. There is a 2-inch drain. You could opt and add a ball valve to that drain if you wanted to. I'd recommend a ball valve and the tuning plates. Other than that, the standard Falcon is a great cooking pit. Holds a lot of meat. Cook for small events, cook for large events. You got the nice wraparound shelf where you can use that flap top to heat up beans, sauce, foil pan of meat, anything you want to get up there and put some heat on. You've got the ability to do that. You've also got stainless steel handles on all of your doors, and inside you've got that Gator Pit heavy duty fire grate, 1/4 inch thick, framed out in heavy angles, reinforced in the middle. It's a serious fire grate, guys. Fully flanged doors, including the firebox. Your dial style air intake vents makes it easy to open and close your air intake. And you got a big stack, adjustable stack right here, and anywhere in between, open and close. I'll close it up, let you see the quality fit and finish. Of course, you know, you've looked at my other YouTube videos, you'll know the quality of our Gator pits. We're known for no leaking pits. That's because our door seams are not gapped anywhere around the doors, and they're flanged, fully flanged and welded solid all the way around. Notice there are no gaps. Get you a better shot there. Quality pit, handmade right here at the Gator Pit shop. It's got your Gator badging on the stack. That's stainless, Gator etching, and you got the badging on the door. Made in the USA, right here in Houston, Texas. Gator Pit, this is our Falcon Mobile. If you like it, contact us, 713-896-0144. Email info@gatorpit.net. Website, gatorpit.net. I'm Rich Robin. See you.